Greetings. Today we will be discussing the new document management feature on Poimapper. This feature is a lightweight management system that users can use to store and access both exported data points and other documents. To access this feature, click on the Documents option on the menu. To add a document, 1. Click on the Add Document button. 2. Fill in the mandatory fields, marked with a red asterisk. You will come across the version and change log fields when adding, editing documents, and exporting a data point as a document. Versioning is the practice of assigning a unique identifier or version number. A changelog is a record that shares a chronologically ordered list of the notable changes made to the document. 3. Choose a file you want to add and click Save. The latest activity will also be updated showing that the document was added. The Activity tab will display a list of recent activities on the Documents feature. These activities include adding a document, updating a document, and deleting a document. The list is arranged chronologically with the latest activity appearing at the top. The search bar will allow you to find a document quickly and efficiently. By entering specific keywords or phrases, a list of documents matching the query will be displayed. By grouping related files in a folder, users can quickly locate and access the information they need. How do you create a folder and add files to the folder in our system? 1. Below the search bar, click on the folder icon. 2. Another folder icon with a plus sign will be displayed. 3. Click on the folder with the plus icon. 4. A modal will pop up. Input the name of the folder. 5. Click on Save. Now add a document to the newly created folder. On the folder icon, expand the folder by clicking on the small plus sign on the left side of the folder icon. Click on the folder you wish to add a document to. Once selected, click on the Add Document button at the top. Follow the steps to add a document as described in the Add Document section. If successful, when you select a folder, the documents in the folder will be displayed. On selecting an added document, several actions will be displayed in the section to the right. These actions are: 1. Content. Selecting this action will allow the user to see the document details such as the name of a document, description, subject, creation date, created by, and files. 2. Activity. The Activity tab displays a history of user actions. This tab will have the date of the activity, user, version, and the action. 3. Comments. This allows the user to add a comment to a document. 4. Edit. This action allows the user to edit the document details. Creation date and created by are not editable. After editing a field, click on the New Version button at the bottom. Ensure to update the version and the change log. Click Save. 5. Export. The export actions allow the user to export either the document created or the file attached to the document to their local computer. 6. Delete. This action gives the user the ability to delete a document from the system. When you open a data point from the Data Viewer feed, you will see the Export button. This allows the user to store their exported file in the Documents system. To access this feature, follow the steps below. 1. Click on the Export button. 2. Check on the Export as Document checkbox. More fields will be displayed on the modal. Fill in the mandatory fields. 3. Click on the Export button. Depending on your user role, you may have access to all or just a few of the document management system features. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please contact us by email at sales@poimapper.com.